Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be looking at the Gameye video game collection app. It is free to download and free to use on Android and iPhones. I just recently picked it up and it has a really cool list of features. But today we're going to be looking at the feature which basically allows you to scan games and add them to your collection. It's really easy to access. You just click the game cart scanner and it's going to access your camera. And from here, it says just to lay it out. Well, of course, you gotta, pick which video game system. N64 not included for some reason. So, just giving it a try here. This is the stuff I recorded yesterday, but I'm just gonna kind of talk over it. You wait until it highlights green, you tap, red will show up, and then you'll see, boom, right there in the bottom, it's added to your game queue. So I'm just kind of checking it out over a carpeted surface to see how it works. Pretty smooth. Zexis or XEXYZ, however you want to pronounce that, it's one of the best NES games ever. If you haven't played it, you need to play it. It's so cool. But yeah, it's really easy to use. This was my first time having trouble with it. Third game, it kept wanting to grab the barcode down there. And it said it was California games. So there's the first game that it got wrong. And let's see how it goes with these other games. It's not even registering here. I don't know why. I was trying to see if it was the lighting. It just seems very, very random. And then boom, all of a sudden it's working. Really, really cool concept. But you'll see in a minute, it really needs some fine tuning, I think. Come on, Captain Skyhawk. Yeah, these games used to be everywhere in the wild. 95 cents a pop, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm trying to see if it's an angle thing. There we go. So, that one's no problem. Boom. I don't know. I'm sure they have them all in the database, but there's just some games that don't want to react. This got too much stuff going on it. They can't figure it out. So I just went to the next game. Which it did get pretty quickly, I'm not going to lie. Some of these games, it just boom, boom, picks right up. And then we get to Narc. And it has absolutely no idea what to do. I could not for the life of me get this thing to scan Narc. Amagon, I don't even know what that game is. Let's try it again. I just realized that it's not the actual game. You see the game's name will pop up on that bottom portion of the screen. Now here's a busted up cartridge I got of a busted up game. Look at that. I bet it doesn't even work. Let's try it. Try another one. There we go. Oh. You can do it. There we go. Got it. Or do you get it? It's like seeing if you caught a Pokemon. You gotta wait a second. Is it Alpha Mission? Is it? Oh my gosh, what's going on? I think I broke it. Oh yeah, I definitely broke it. So, as you can see, definitely some work to be done. So if you're getting it for this particular feature, know that it definitely has some work that needs to be done to it. But boom, look, it's got the picture you took. It pulls it up. It pulls up the price. You can say if you actually have it. You can discard it, add it to your collection. That portion of it is really cool. But honestly, with how difficult it was for me to get accurate game titles, it probably would have been quicker just for me to do the manual search than to try to take pictures of these games. Like I said, I don't know if it was the lighting or the background, but Amagon, no. Stealth ATF, no. There's a lot of games that it got wrong. So, still stuck on there, huh? So I'm gonna try again now with a black background, because that's what it suggests, using a black background. So I got some black poster board, and I'm gonna try it again with those 2 games that I had a lot of trouble with. Boom, picks it up immediately with a black background. But it's the wrong game, Famitsu 94. So, I mean, it seems like it had no problem. So the black background does seem to work, but like now it can't even, I could not get it to work actually pulling up the right game. So maybe it's just this game or a couple games here and there, but it's not as easy as point, click, point, click, point, click, point, click, kind of like it makes it out to be. So maybe they'll do some revisions in the future on this. I hope so, because the app itself is really cool. If you want a free app, and I'm going to do a review of the app with all the features and everything, but I mean, it tells you how much your collection's worth based on price charting. You can click on YouTube videos directly, eBay postings from it. You can click and see, you know, exactly what you have for each game and have it in your collection. Really, really cool app. I'm going to do a review, but I think you should check it out in the meantime. But if you're getting it for this feature alone, buyer, or I guess it's not a buyer if it's for free, but downloader beware. All right, happy hunting, everybody.